Dear viewers, this is ERi-TV English news broadcast for this hour, and I'm Bersabet Taghla. Coming up are the major headlines for today. Seminar on child rights and combating harmful practices in Serengeti subzone. Significant development initiatives reported in Ghinda subzone. Turkish airstrikes target northern Iraq and Syria. And Cyclone Balal brings flooding and heavy rain to Mauritius. On your domestic reports, seminars emphasizing child rights and the detriments of underage marriage were conducted across 18 administrative areas in Serengeti subzone. The sessions highlighted the adverse effects of underage marriages and female genital mutilation on the physical and psychological well-being of young women. Mr. Kiflemariam Bayana, a representative from the Ministry of Health in the subzone, urged the community, especially women, to actively participate in eradicating harmful practices, including underage marriages and female genital mutilation. He also emphasized the negative effect of traditional education and urged the public to refrain from its application. Mr. Bayana stressed the necessity of respecting children's rights, including their freedom to express opinions. Mr. Mihratab Andamariam, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students in the subzone, for his part highlighted the importance of a collective effort in fostering competent youth who uphold societal values and prioritize education. At the seminar, detailed insights about harmful practices were provided, focusing particularly on underage marriages. The discussions led to the adoption of several proposals, including the implementation of stringent measures against underage marriage and enhanced coordination to ensure educational access for children with disabilities. Mr. Umar Yahya Hajj, the subzone's administrator, reported that the Ghinda subzone has witnessed substantial development advancements in 2023, with projects exceeding a total investment of 27 million nafa. The report was made during a comprehensive meeting involving area administrators, representatives from various ministries, government employees, and members of the subzone assembly. Central to these developmental strides were initiatives aimed at improving access to clean drinking water, the refurbishment and construction of roads, and the construction and renovation of terraces and water diversion systems. Mr. Umar highlighted key projects, including the building of water storage facilities in Mbatkala and Gahtelai, the laying of new water pipes in Hutit and Adnebeb, and the establishment of water distribution hubs in Nefasit and Ghinda. Mr. Umar also pointed out the notable progress in maternal and child health care services, including both pre- and postnatal care. He emphasized the importance of ongoing awareness-raising campaigns designed to combat harmful traditional practices and the provision of specialized training for teachers to bolster the quality of education. Mr. Umar went on to say that putting in place potable water projects in the administrative areas of Nefasit, Dongolo Alai, Metkal Abit, and Demas are programs for 2024. On your last local report, in a remarkable display of community involvement, residents from 15 administrative areas within the Foro subzone have embarked on a comprehensive water and soil conservation initiative. This widespread campaign encompasses the construction and refurbishment of terraces and water diversion systems, along with the improvement of road infrastructure. Over the past 4 months, these efforts have led to the renovation of 155 kilometers of unpaved roads, the construction of 203 kilometers of new terraces, and the refurbishment of over 2,700 meters of water diversion infrastructures. Additionally, the initiative has seen the construction of extra classrooms and maternity waiting rooms, further demonstrating the community's commitment to sustainable development and improvement of social service provision institutions. DVOS will take a short break, but coming up will be international news and more. Please stay tuned. Welcome back. Turkey's military has carried out air raids against Kurdish fighters in northern Iraq and Syria. The overnight air raids destroyed 23 targets, the Turkish Ministry of National Defense said today. The operation extended a recent escalation in violence across Turkey's southern border as regional tension continues to rise amid Israel's bombardment of Gaza. The upswing in the conflict began on Friday when 9 Turkish soldiers were killed in clashes with Kurdistan Worker Party or the PKK fighters in northern Iraq. Ankara responded with air attacks and military operations in the area as well as in northern Syria. On today's final report, eyewitness footage shot yesterday showed severe flooding and heavy rain brought on by Cyclone Balal in Mauritius. The video shot in Flick and Flak, a seaside village in the island's nation western coast, showed a car driving through heavily flooded roads and people shopping at a flooded supermarket. Heavy rain and winds were also seen lashing a beachfront area. The French island of La Réunion, some 226 kilometers away, was also struck by Balal on Monday, when it was placed under cyclone alert. Citizens were urged to stay inside, cut power, stop using tap water, and stay in the safest room of their houses. You're still watching ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a very quick recap of the major headlines. Seminar on child rights and combating harmful practices in Seganeti. Significant development initiatives reported in Ghinda subzone. Turkish airstrikes target northern Iraq and Syria. And Cyclone Balal brings flooding and heavy rain to Mauritius. DVOS, thanks for watching and have a good one.